Looking for the perfect sun hat for all your outdoor adventures? This sun hat for men and women offers top-tier UV protection with a UPF 50+ rating. Keeping your face, neck and ears safe from harmful sun rays has never been easier. With a wide brim and built-in neck flap, this hat provides full coverage from the sun. The breathable mesh panels allow airflow, keeping your head cool even on the hottest summer days. Whether you are fishing, hiking, gardening or enjoying a day at the beach, this hat is built to keep you comfortable and protected. It is lightweight, quick drying and easy to pack, making it ideal for travel or everyday use. The adjustable drawstring ensures a secure fit, so you do not have to worry about the wind taking it off. Available in 14 different colors, there is a style for everyone. The durable fabric holds up well in various outdoor conditions, and the moisture-wicking sweatband adds an extra level of comfort during extended wear. This hat has become a go-to choice for outdoor enthusiasts thanks to its functional design and stylish look. Whether you are heading into the wilderness or just relaxing in the backyard, this hat has you covered. Ready to upgrade your sun protection? Click the link in the description below to get one for yourself and enjoy the outdoors with confidence.